Hello and welcome to this new video on how to crop music on TikTok. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly you need to open the TikTok application. It is available in both Play Store as well as the App Store. And the TikTok application is open. Then in the bottom taskbar there is a plus sign. You just have to click on that plus sign. And another interface will be open right in front of you where you can record. And in the top of the interface there is an add sound section. Just click on the add sound, and here is the place where you can search for the music that you want to add to your TikTok video. So you can just click on one certain TikTok video, and on the right side of the name of the song there is a scissor sign that is for the edit. You can just click on it and the edit section will be opened and you will be able to crop the music. So this is how you can easily crop music on TikTok. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.